This lower button on the Pfaff Admire Air 5000 Serger is to disengage the knife. Now before I show you how to do this, I'm actually going to tell you why I don't disengage the knife. So when I'm serging, I actually watch how much fabric that knife is cutting off, and that is actually my visual guide. So if I don't have that in place and actively cutting my fabric, I don't know what to watch. My fabric can kind of drift. It could actually get too far, and without it being cut off, that upper looper could actually stab my fabric. It can actually untie my serger or break that upper looper. So I'm not a fan of that at all. Just ask anybody at our service department when anybody says that they disengage their knife. But I am going to show you how to do it. Sometimes people don't want to cut, but that's okay. If you don't want to cut, just run the fabric right along where the knife is going up and down. You could do that. You could even just shave off a hair of fabric and it won't make a difference. But to lower the knife, go ahead, open up the door, push in and turn it until the knife lowers. Push it all the way in and twist until the knife comes down below the throat plate. To get it to re-engage, push in, twist, and turn until it comes above the throat plate, and make sure this kind of comes back out and pops out in place. That means it has locked into position. So push in to lower, push and twist to bring it up, and then pop it out once you click it all the way back into position.